My name's Casper Jones, you're watching Days with Casper, and this is Lagoon to the Moon.
Zombies coming down, you got no time.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed Lagoon to the Moon 4, a White Barn secret side mission. Huge thank you to John for having us out there again.
John Brooks for life.
And a big thank you to Chuck, Luke, Nick, Dustin, and Blake for coming out and skating. It's always a great time skating with you guys, and I absolutely love that ramp. We've got a lot of plans with the channel for 2026, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, we'll be taking short trips like this and making short videos. And if you're wondering what this big-ass board is, this is the Mega Roll XL from Life Skateboards. Go to lifeskateboard.com and get a life. Go ahead and subscribe, and you can catch me making these boards live right here on the channel. You can see me pressing, gluing, and shaping the boards, and you can ask questions that I'll answer to the best of my ability. We have a good time on there. Most of the time.
Don't be a darb.
Do you need some big trucks to match these big-ass boards from Life Skateboards? Get some Slappy 13s. We've got them. Go to lifeskateboard.com. Get a life. Get a life. Get a life. Get a life. And a huge thank you to John over at Aromatic Roasters for keeping us awake. Go to aromaticroasters.com and get yourself some damn good coffee. And stay tuned. In 2026, we're going to be dropping butter bars again. 2 new pros. I think you guys know who those guys are. Maybe. I might be giving you too much credit. Like, share, subscribe, get a life. Don't just lick stuff. Sometimes a soup can be a spoon. Where's your shovel? Sure does. Bye.